Hello there, welcome to the show. I hope you are doing well. In the previous episode of the series, we discussed salt in daily life. Today we are going to discuss non-metals. So, let's begin the show. Non-metals are chemical elements that lack the properties of metals. They are typically poor conductors of heat and electricity, and they are often brittle or clumpy. Non-metals have high electronegativity, which means they tend to attract electrons in chemical reactions. Non-metals have important roles in various areas, including biology, chemistry, and industry. They are crucial components of organic compounds, form the basis of many essential molecules, and play significant roles in environmental processes and the atmosphere of Earth. Non-metals are classified based on their position on the periodic table and their properties. Here are the main ways in which non-metals are classified. Chemical properties. Non-metals can be classified based on their chemical properties, such as their ability to gain electrons and form negative ions, or their reactivity with other elements. For example, halogens. Halogens are highly reactive nonmetals that readily gain one electron to achieve a stable electron configuration. Physical properties. Nonmetals can also be classified based on their physical properties, such as their state of matter at room temperature. For instance, nonmetals like hydrogen and helium are gases, bromine is a liquid, while elements like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, and others can exist as solid. Electronegativity. Nonmetals are generally more electronegative compared to metals. Electronegativity is a measure of an atom's tendency to attract electrons when involved in a chemical bond. Nonmetals typically have higher electronegativity values, indicating their ability to attract electrons towards themselves in a chemical bond. It's important to note that nonmetals can exhibit a wide range of properties and behaviors, and their classification is not always rigid. Some nonmetals have properties that overlap with those of other groups, and certain elements may exhibit both metalloid and nonmetal characteristics. Nonmetals can be broadly categorized into several groups based on their properties and location on the periodic table. Here are the main types of nonmetals. Noble gases. Noble gases are a group of nonmetals located in group 18 of the periodic table. They include helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Halogens. Halogens are located in group 17 of periodic table and include fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and statine. Oxygen group. The oxygen group includes oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. Carbon group. The carbon group consists of carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. Nitrogen group. The nitrogen group includes nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. Nonmetals have distinct properties that differentiate them from metals. Here are some common properties of nonmetals. Electrical conductivity. Nonmetals are generally poor conductors of electricity. They lack the free-flowing electrons found in metals that allow for efficient electrical conductivity. Thermal conductivity. Similar to electrical conductivity, nonmetals are poor conductors of heat. Brittle and non-malleable. Nonmetals tend to be brittle, meaning they break or shatter when subjected to stress or pressure. Luster. Non-metals generally lack the metallic luster seen in metals. State of matter. Non-metals exist in various states of matter at room temperature. Density. Non-metals tend to have lower densities compared to metals. Non-metals have various uses and applications across different fields. Here are some common uses of non-metals. Oxygen. Oxygen is crucial for respiration, supporting life in both animal and plants. It is used in medical settings for respiratory support, in welding and cutting processes, and in various industrial applications. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is widely used in industries such as food packaging and preservation, as it helps maintain product freshness and prevents spoilage. It is also used in the production of ammonia, which is a key component of fertilizer. Carbon. Carbon is the foundation of organic chemistry and has numerous applications. It is used in the production of fuel such as coal and petroleum. Carbon-based compounds are essential in the pharmaceutical industry, material science, and various industrial processes. Hydrogen. Hydrogen is used in the production of ammonia. It is also utilized in the petroleum and chemical industries for hydrogenation reactions and in fuel cell technology for energy generation. Till now, as we have discussed the definition, classifications, types, properties, and applications of non-metals, that's enough for now. In the next episode, we will discuss metals and their extractions. For more information about this or any episode of this series, check out the blog. Link is in the description. We have additional contents, further readings, and transcripts of every show. We have also published our books on Amazon Kindle Publisher. We would love to see your reviews over there. Thank you for coming to the channel and watching the video. I hope you loved the show.